create a shared album on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to create the shared album on Google Photos. Now to create a shared album on Google Photos, make sure that you have the Google Photos with you and make sure that you are logged into your Google Photos. So after that, you just need to open the Google Photos on your device, and at the very bottom you will see the option of Photos, Collection, Create, Search and all of it. But at the very top here you will see the option of plus like icon, and you may also see the option at the very bottom, so that depends on the device of yours. And here you will see the option of create new album, highlight video and all of it. So click on the option of album, and you just need to give a title to the album, and you may also add a description if you like it. And from here you just need to select the photo or video which you want to add on it. So let's say I'll simply add all of this photo and video, and click on the option of add at the very top right, and here you can click on the option of tick like icon at the very top left, and the album has been already been created. Now to share it, click on the option of share at the very bottom of the screen, and you may also create the link, or you may simply share the photos and videos directly on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook and all of it. So that's it. That's how you can create shared album on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.